Okay, so check this out. I had an idea the other night. This is my Rdunae. This is my Rdunae diver. Their 6105 one. I don't know if you guys remember when I did the review of this when it came in. I reviewed it and it was fine, but then I noticed actually that it wearing it normally that it conked out on me, which was really strange for a Seiko, especially a brand new one, to just stop working. I thought it was weird, but then I wound it up and it ran and everything. Okay, well then I got this idea. I was like, well, I don't like the 6105 dial, so maybe I can, it occurred to me I could put a 7002 dial in. And I was like, okay, I guess let's see if that works. And I opened this up. Look at the weight. See how it's just spinning around and around and around? See how it's just moving? It shouldn't do that. Something's missing. This brand new Seiko 4R movement is missing something. Do you see what's gone? Do you see what's not there? Right there. The reduction wheel, the winding wheel, it's supposed to be right here with the pawl lever. There's the pawl lever, but the wheel is gone. So that weight spins freely because there's no reduction wheel. So this movement, they installed this. Where is it? The big question is I'm going to have to take this apart. The big question is, these things are held in place on the underneath with a circlip, a really thin, paper-thin circlip. Is that circlip in there? I hand wound it. It runs. But in order to repair this, I'm going to have to get one. Oh, I mean, I have them. I have one. I mean, get one is in physically get up and get one. But I'm going to have to pull the the whole train in order to do it. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'd be curious to see if, is the shaft in there? I can't see. Did it break off? I don't see anything in there. I don't know. That's really strange. I'm going to have to look at it. But in the meantime, this watch is hand wind only. Isn't that a funny old situation? I would like to, I hope that whoever is making aftermarket dials that'll fit on a 4R, that they would produce a really good one, because then I could, this watch, the dial, the markers, they just, I can't suspend my disbelief. They're the first thing I notice. Though I should, do what I thought about doing, which is to go in and paint over them with matte paint. It might make it look a little nicer. I think it would still bug me, though. In any case, so there's a first, something I've never seen before. To have a brand new 4R movement, or a brand new movement period from Seiko, missing an essential part. I'll be really curious. I'm going to have to take it apart now and service it, and we'll see. Thanks for watching.